everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now, that way you don't miss out on my future videos. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Dose of Colors Iluvsarahii eyeshadow palette. This is, I mean, words just can't describe how beautiful that blue and that black is, and the other colors are beautiful as well. They work well together and you can do several looks just out of this. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just continue to watch the video. I'm going to go into my Smashbox Cali contour palette, and I'm just going to grab this banana looking color right here and just lay that down all over my lid. And I'm going to go ahead and set the other one as well. So I'm going to go into what I believe is Finders Keepers first. The next color we're going to go into is Loungy. I think that's what it's called. If I'm reading them right on the back here, then it's Loungy. I'm going to go ahead and clean that up now with a wipe just because I kind of want to see the shape better. So my palette's already messed up. The black is everywhere. Well, the next color we're going to go into is Palma. I think is how it's pronounced. It's P-A-L-M-A, Palma. Grabbing my Max Fix Plus, take that same brush and spray it. We're going back into, call it Loungy. I'm going to take a flat brush, spray it, and go into that black. Let's see if we can get some of that glitter on there. Got a little bit of glitter. Definitely got some more pigment. Blend it out a little bit here. Grab your brush with the Palma color on it. We are back. We've got most of our makeup done. We're just going to finish up the eyes and then do the lipstick. So I gotta grab my palette out here again. So for the under eyes, I'm going to start off with that Finders Keeper color again. Now I'm going to go back into that Lounge color. My favorite black eyeliner from Estee Lauder, and everything will be put in the description box below that hasn't been mentioned, so just go check that out. I'm gonna go back into that black again, and I'll stamp this right in that waterline area. How that kind of covers up, so there you can see your skin, but if you stamp it in, then you can't see your skin anymore. And then we're gonna go into what I believe is Wanderlust right here, if I'm reading these right. And we're gonna take that in the brow bone area, and then we're gonna put that in the inner corner as well. So this is the finished look. Please comment down below and let me know what you think. I actually really love the way this look turned out. I can't believe how simple it was. I used 4 of the eyeshadow colors, so it's 4 eyeshadow colors. The 2 main ones were the black one, which is, let's see, Loungy, and then the blue-green one, which is Palma, which, once again, I really hope I'm saying all those names right. But I think it's beautiful, and I really wish I had somewhere to go tonight to wear this. Anyways, for all of the other makeup that I used in this video, please look down in the description box below. However, I am going to go over a couple of different things that I did use. For my highlight, I used one of the new Maybelline Master Chrome highlights, and this one is in Molten Peach, and I think it is beautiful. I've actually swatched it there already. I'll swatch it here again. I have black all over my hands from that eyeshadow. It's a great eyeshadow, but it's literally everywhere. And I can't believe I didn't get it on my shirt. I have a white shirt on right now, my tank top. I mean, I think I see a little bit, but I'm pretty sure it'll come out, I hope. And then for my lip gloss, I used the Dose of Colors Iluvsarahii lip glosses. I couldn't decide which one I wanted, so I got both of them. And I am wearing the Barely There, and then I have a little bit of the Brillo on top. Not a lot, just a little bit. I didn't want to get the wand all gunky, so I just kind of like tapped it on and did one of those, smooshed it out. So that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on my other videos. And I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.